Today I just wanted to give a quick update on our Teardrop camper. We took it out once on, a 100-mile trip. Everything went fine. What we've done in the meantime is we've painted the inside. Let's see if we got any lights. We do. So let's see what the battery is. I haven't charged this thing probably 2 months. We still got 12.3 volts of battery. It's not too bad. You can see it's blue on the inside now. We need to obviously redo the edges or just take off the top thing and paint everything blue. I don't know. This was just extra paint I had. So not a whole lot has changed since the last time. Like I said, we used it. We used the air conditioner. We have a Ryobi portable generator, so we used that, and it worked great. It ran the thing with the air conditioner running all night into the next morning, and it actually didn't run out of gas, which I thought was pretty awesome. So it was right on the edge. But yeah, so this is just a quick update video. Currently, I'm not sure what I want to do with this thing. It's actually a little bit small for our needs, so there's a chance that we will sell it. There's also a chance that we will make it bigger. I don't know. I haven't decided. It's gonna be a lot of work to make it. Like, I would like a fold out or something on the side, like maybe, and I haven't figured out how to do this really, but maybe cut out this side, make a piece that folds out flat, and have it so it's a bed, and then it would actually be big enough, because this is perfect for like 2 adults. I have a daughter too, so with the 3 of us it was very tight and pretty uncomfortable. So I don't know, we're kind of in limbo at the moment. We're trying to decide what we want to do, but if we do that, there will be videos. If not, we might wait until spring and then sell it and buy a bigger camper that needs some work and fix that up. I don't know. This thing's, it's simple, it's convenient. Everything went really well when we were camping. I don't know. We'll see. So that's the update for this. If you have any thoughts, definitely let me know if you have any thoughts on how to make this bigger, like a fold out. I know there's lots of I say lots, there's like 1 or 2 that you can buy that's meant for, putting it into a wall, and it's like a fold out, like a pop-up camper, but they're expensive. They're like $1,500–$1,600, and that's not, for what this is, that's not really what I'm looking for. So anyway, let me know if you got any thoughts. I'll see you in the next one.